What are you doing, Bobby?
I'm just getting the exhaust done here really quickly. I mean, it took me a little while, but it's definitely the easiest exhaust system that I've ever ordered. I mean, seriously, it's perfect. The only thing they didn't ship with it, which was a bit annoying, but I was able to get them delivered, the clamps. But
I mean,
it's okay.
Dude,
it's perfect.
It's spot on.
It's perfect.
Like, legitimately. Everything bolted up exactly as it's supposed to be, in its proper place, no tweaking, no nothing.
No.
Damn, dude. Super clean job.
Perfect. Perfection.
Yeah.
We're not going to need goop around the flange up there in the front or anything. I'm going to tighten those up, tighten this up, and just boop, 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 boop. Done.
Sweet.
I'm going to be out of here in about 5 minutes, which is good because I'm hungry and I want to go home.
Who let you out of your cage in the first place?
There's a cage.
Well, at least that's what the mistress said.
Is there handcuffs?
She said there was.
Chains?
Yep.
Whips?
And stockings.
What about cock ring?
I would imagine so. They've got a couple of thimbles.
Fuck! Damn, Scotty.
Shots fired.
Oh my god.
But, okay, so you're done. You're just tightening up now as we speak.
Yeah, I just got to tighten the clamps and the flange, and then I'm out of here.
Beautiful. And on that note, what do we say, Bobby?
All right, and just like Scotty said, this is the nicest system we've ever gotten. Everything fits right where it's supposed to go. It's perfect. In its brackets, in its bracket. Clamp down here on the ball flange. It's done. The exhaust system is done on the Pierre Cardin.